We're here at Overland West. I'm Tanner Whiteford. I'm here with Packed Outdoors. We make all-in-one bathroom kits for backcountry adventures. And we like to say we make it easier and more sustainable to use the bathroom out in the woods. And really what we mean by that is the sustainability piece stems from these guys. These are inoculated mycelium tablets. Mycelium is like the root system for fungi. It's nature's great decomposer, as we say. It's that white stuff, if you ever flip over a log out in nature, that you see growing underneath it. We use mycelium to help break down and decompose human waste quicker in the ground, which helps to eliminate pathogens like E. coli from ending up in our ecosystems and our waterways. And then our wipes come dehydrated and compressed in these hard little pucks. So you add a little bit of water like that. They expand out into a 9 by 9 inch wet wipe. And unlike traditional wet wipes and toilet paper, these wipes are made without any additional chemicals, preservatives, or additives that wet wipes and toilet paper have to have since their manufacturing process is different. This is all cellulose, 100% plant-based fibrous material, meaning that it can act as a food source for the mycelium to kind of kickstart that decomposition process in the ground. So we take both of these two components and we pack them into various size kits. Here is more of our backpacking-oriented lightweight kit. You have your shovel to dig a 6-inch deep cat hole. All of the wipes and the mycelium then store in the handle of the shovel. And for about a week, week and a half's worth of supplies, you're all in at 4 ounces. Throw this in the brain of a backpack, you're good to go. Our more car camping oriented kits have just this nice trifold case with a few additional features like hand sanitizer, a reusable trash bag up in here, all kind of folds together with, of course, wipes and tabs going in these 2 lower compartments. Just more oriented for those that may have families and just need a little more working room when they've laid this out on the ground. Our mission at Packed Outdoors is to help preserve the outdoors and preserve our public lands and protect it from kind of this loving to death that we've had in the outdoor rec world. PackedOutdoors.com, that's PACT outdoors.com.